Hey guys, this is Alam and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I gonna share you why you need a English partner. Friend, for many time, if you think that we have to speak English and you are not able to speak English, so in this video, I am going to share you how you can speak English with any partner. So you have been taught many times that we have to speak English and you are learning grammar, tenses, and you have learned all things, but you are not able to speak English. In this video I gonna share you why you need a speaking partner. So let's start this video without of any further delay. If you want to speak English, so you are non-native speaker and learning English and have been told many times to practice English every day to become a competent speaker and writer. If you are living in a place where English is not first language, it will not be easy to use it frequently to achieve fluency. Yeah, so you may ask why you need to speaking partner. So studying grammar. So if you want to speak English, so test your knowledge and how are you speaking English. So if you have any partner, so you can speak and there you can test who am I and how am I speaking. And if you test, so knowledge it will improve and you will need to use it in conversation, and for that you will need an English speaker partner to practice. Speaking partner is a person you can talk to in English and practice your language skill with. They are facilitate conversation about a range of a topic to help become a confident speaker. A speaker partner also correct your pronunciation and grammar and help you understand the cultural constant. So if you are not find anybody to speak English, so the important question is you can find them through the online and you can find them and you can practice there. If you are not able to find in your village, because I belong to village and here nobody speak English, so in my point of view, if you are not finding anyone, so you can find through the online and you can speak English and you can practice. Because if you speak, so you will test your knowledge that how I am speaking and what is quality of my speaking. Okay, so how I am speaking, I am speaking better or not better. So if you are not finding, so you can find on the online and you can troll on the Facebook and you can chat them in WhatsApp and slowly you will try to make him friendship so that they will talk to you and there can be, if you do like this, so there can be improvement in your English and you can speak English very fluently and where you want you can speak English, but you will have to do like this. So if you do, so you can speak English of course. So if you think that I belong to a village so I cannot speak English, so it is your illusion. If you want to speak English, so it is very easy to speak English. But English is our secondary language, it is not our, this is not our mother tongue language. So there can be difficult to learn, but don't think that there are more difficult to learn. So this is not like this and this is a very easy to learn. So you will have to only practice and you will have to, if you are not able to speak English by reading book and when you started feeling shy that how will start my English, so you will have to first find someone to speak English. And So friend, I have told you many times, do like this. And if it is not able to speak English, so I have told that you can find someone through the online, and you can talk them. If a question was stuck in your mind, what are the benefits of a speaking partner? So I gonna share you, the right English speaker partner has the expertise to help you and develop the language and become a confidently speaker. And it is impossible to learn a language without learning at least a few of a custom of the native speaker. So I have told you that if you want to improve in your English, so I have told you that the man who questions much, who learn much, so how much you will practice, how much you will ask to another people, so there would be improvement in your English and you can speak English very soon. So do like this please, and if you do so, of course you will speak English. Don't think that I cannot speak English. You can speak English, but you will have to find someone, and English partner is more important for your life. So if you want to speak English very fluently, so you will have to find someone to practice. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.